Hey, what's up? What's going on? This is Jerry with Wealth Dynamics. Hey, thank you for tuning in today. If you don't know who I am, I'm Jerry. I own Wealth Dynamics. I help you make money, keep it, and multiply it. And that's why I'm talking to you today about life insurance. Now, you may be asking, how does life insurance help you make money? How does it help you keep it? And how does it make you multiply it? Here's how. So, life insurance serves three purposes. Basically, you are your greatest asset no matter what anyone tells you. Your ability to generate income is the most important thing for you financially. You need life insurance the moment somebody else enters that equation. When somebody else enters your personal economy, that's when you need life insurance. You're insuring your income so that if you were to pass away, your income doesn't leave and the economy for them doesn't die. This isn't a sob story. This isn't emotional coercing or making you think about your kids being poor orphans or anything like that. This is logic. You are an asset. Replace the asset. Now, here's the deal with life insurance. I believe that while you're living, you should use the life insurance for cash accumulation so that you can buy assets. If you don't use it, you don't want to just pay money and just be like, hey man, I threw it at this thing and I never got anything. Okay, so here's the deal. Use your life insurance as your sacred account. Your sacred account is the place that you force yourself to put money into every single month. So that while you're alive, you've got your sacred account, you've got cash reserves, you've structured it to create a banking system, and you can use that to finance things like real estate and small business. Okay? Now, when you do pass away, here's the deal. This is what your life insurance should do for your family. It should pay off all your consumer debt, cars, credit cards, etc., consumer loans. Second thing it should do is replace your income. Now, I'm different on this. I think your life insurance death benefit should cause you enough money where you buy an asset. When you pass away, your family gets a death benefit. They take a chunk of that death benefit and they go buy a real estate deal with it. And that real estate deal is going to replace your income. It's going to pay them forever now. Okay, the next thing it needs to do, if you have a mortgage, get the mortgage paid off. And then if you have burial expenses, include $15,000 for that. That's baseline. The third thing the life insurance should do is it should actually cover your long-term care costs. If you get old and end up in a nursing home, I believe that you should be able to access your death benefit ahead of time and use that to cover any sort of costs that are incurred by nursing home care, in-home care, anything like that. Okay? The last thing, the final phase of life insurance is to prevent your loved ones and your legacy from getting stolen from by the IRS. That's right. If you have over $5 million in change in net worth when you pass away, if that goes on, I think it's assets actually, when you pass away, the government's going to take about 40% of that in what's called estate tax. So have your policy growing so that when you pass away, your family can pay that estate tax with the death benefit and not get stolen from, and actually keep all of the assets you've worked so hard to build for them. That's the story on life insurance. This is not a scarcity product. This is not a, oh shit, what if I have this happen to me product. This is not an emotional tearjerker product. Those that purchase it for those reasons are living in scarcity mindset and not in abundance mindset. This is an abundance move for your finances, for your family, and ultimately for your legacy. If you've never heard it spun like that, that's because I'm Jerry Fetta and you've never heard me talk about it before. Okay, this is the way that life insurance should work. If you're interested in learning more, here's an article that I've posted in the comments. Go ahead and read that. Check it out. Reach out to me if you'd like to learn more. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day. Like, share, subscribe. Talk to you soon.